This is the Nature Forest Tour by David Burns and Scott Burns. And special guests might come in and do something. Well, we're looking for interesting things. Like this rock. This kind of rock looks like it's from a mostly cliff-like rock. Okay? Let's move on.
Okay.
I'm here again. And we are going this way through some kind of forest, I think.
Okay.
Have a good look at it. And if we can get through the forest, we'll come back and show you all the interesting things we have. And maybe in the middle we might show some little pictures. Wow. This is a tree that looks like it's moss covered.
Mm-hmm. Very tall.
I think it's a maple tree.
How can you tell?
Leaves.
Yeah. Okay, let's continue through.
Whoa! Rest and stop. Good. Now we'll be back on this show on the adventure through the forest. Remember, we'll be back. Kids, are you sad that your teddy bears are all lumpy and bumpy and all old? Well, get this new teddy bear and it will never get lumpy, bumpy, or old. And you can buy it for a less value, $1. And it will never get lumpy, bumpy, or old. But if it gets in some kind of trouble, it might kind of like get a little bit bad. But if you keep it just right, you might be able to keep it just like this forever. And low price, only this week, $1. Call 367-4281 to buy it.
Okay.
This is the moss. Some call it the carpet of the ground. Hey, get off of me. Well, that's one of our interesting things. This is a very important part of this movie. There must be Indians around. There could be. We'll check it out. Dad, keep on the camera. It looks like Indians might have made this part of something. Well, we'll get closer.
What?
This is a very scary thing for us. There might be Indians in the cabin.
Should we go look?
No.
Let's go poke the camera in the door. I don't think they're
seems to be empty.
No Indians.
Well,
Whew.
that's a close call. Well, that's a very, very good thing on this show. We'll be back for another interesting thing.
Okay.
Well, do all your finding books are too easy for you? You just find them in a flash. Well, get this hard finding book of Mother Goose. And you can collect all four. This is the Mother Goose looking find. There's a bunny rabbit looking find, a fairy tale looking find, and a heroes and legend looking find. Wow, collect all four. And if you can find all of these things in a book, write your name in on a piece of card. Remember to write your name, address, and phone number, and if your name is picked out, you could win $5,000. And remember to call 1-800-367-4281, and you can get this fabulous book.
Okay.
Seems like we can't go any farther. It's a target shooting area. See that sign?
Yep.
Well, I guess we'll have to go some other way and find more interesting things. Wow! What neat houses they must have built a long time ago. Take a look at them. I wonder how it would feel to live in those places a long time ago. And just thinking, maybe Indians would live right across the street. Well, we might find another interesting thing. We'll try to, so come back.
Righty.
Kids, do you like to take pictures and read about them? Well, if you've read all of your books about photographs, here's another one to collect in your collection. Well, it tells about photographs and how to use them. And maybe it might even tell you how to make one yourself. And a lower price only this week, $2.27. And if you can get it, remember to call in 1-800-367-4281, because you never know when there could be another book. Okay, well, we're back, and we found that this was really a blacksmith shop.
Uh-huh.
Well, that's really neat. A blacksmith shop. One of those guys makes things out of metal with fire, you know. But really? Wow. Turn around and see that one. We'll check out that one next, right after this. Kids, do you like puppets? Well, if you collect them, here's another one of the collection. A strange funny bird. This guy's name is Sam. You can collect them all 4. And new price, $4.29. And if you collect them all, there might be a tag in one of their feathers. And if it says you're an instant winner, you can win all the money you need. That means it's about $5,000 or something. But think of all those funny birds you'll have in your house. So buy it for $4.29. Well, here we are. We found the next one was a wood shop. Really? A wood shop? That guy who makes things out of wood.
Mm-hmm.
From a long time ago. We might see another cabin like this, but we might not.
Can you see it?
Yeah, this is the wood shop. Well, I guess we might see another cabin, but we might not. If we see one, we'll show it right after this. Hey kids, you know what? If your parents don't like loud noises and you want all the music you want, get these new headphones. They'll make your life better for music, and your parents won't get mad at you for all the noise. The noise will only be in. And if you can find the lucky tag in your headphones, if there is one, send it to 112 Homes, and you might be a winner of $6,000. So, buy it, and it's only $4 for only this week. So get them. Now this is really someone's house. It's Uncle Edward and Aunt Martha's. I wonder who they were. Well, whoever they were, this must have been their house. Come look, have a check-in.
Okay.
Wow. They must have been making things.
I can't focus past the screen here.
Uh-oh. It's like something's on that shelf.
Just a second.
House. You
What's
don't
in
have
there?
any TVs? Radios?
Mm-mm.
No electric. Well, that must have been a really strange... Here is a very strange mushroom. It has some kind of designs on it. Come look at it. It's kind of like yellowish. Very strange. Well, I wonder what that must have done. If we have time, we'll make more exciting things we saw. If they're interesting, we'll get them. If they're not, maybe. So right after this, come back. Kids, do you like April Fool's Day? Well, if you do, here's an April Fool's camera. You open it up. Nothing comes out here. It comes out here.
What comes out?
Water. And you can turn it around so you let your friends take a picture of you. And they'll squirt themselves. And then, that's a great April Fool's. And it's only for $2.27. Only for this year. But you can buy it for $2.27. Just call 1-800-367-4281. We see some interesting rock formations up ahead. We might get on them. I think so. But if we don't, well, don't be sad. Well, come back to us when we're on our rock formations right after this. Kids, here's another thing for April Fools. If you want to surprise someone, then maybe they'll get a big surprise. For instance,
the cat sat on a fat goat on the moon.
The cat sat on a goat. Whatever. It's a tongue twister for you. And you can buy it for $2.99. And call 367-4281 to get it. Well, we're almost there on the rock formations. Come to us when we're on top of them, and we might find some interesting things. Come back to us right after this. Kids, do you like animals? I like animals. If you do, and if you like books, here's a mixture. Animals in bookmarks. Neat. And you can read with your favorite pets. For instance, dogs and cats, dogs, cats, and maybe other things too. Fish, hamsters, pets. Call 367-4281 for a free video and brochure. And then, if you want it, you can get 12 of these for $2. Here we are on the rock. Really scary. You don't want to fall. Look how deep that is. Dad, make it down so focus up so you can see it. Yeah. Isn't that deep? Woo! You don't want to fall down. Believe me. Well, we'll be back to this right after this. Kids, do you like to play cards? Well, if you do, good. And do you like to play Truth or Dare? If you do, that's even better. Here's a Truth or Dare in cards. What a mixture! And, for instance, for a dare, balance a book on your head for 1 minute. What a dare. So get Truth or Dare. Only for $2.97. And you can get another one called Symbol Simon. It's a card game, and whoever gets the symbol on the card first wins. So get these two for $2.97. Well, we've ended our travel through interesting nature. But thank you for coming with us. And try to think about these things that we've taped on this video. Bye.